Hello friends, I am Vinod Kenny. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel.
In today's video is about dead TV in Sony model number KD-55X8500B. In this TV, two processor are used and two separate eMMC IC for data communication of each processor. This is the main processor and is used for complete control of this TV. Now let's check processor in diode test range. We got the fault in one of the processor and is short by 0.010 volt. We will now remove this shorted processor, which is used for PIP control. Now to check the main processor, we have removed eMMC IC related to main processor. Now we can check shorting, if any, in the data line of the main processor. Diode test reading of data line of the processor is faulty, giving the reading of 0.44 volt. OK, reading should have been around 0.7 volt, but the reading here is 0.44 volt. This is showing that main processor is defective. Only way for the recovery of this TV is to replace the main processor. In this TV, both the processor were defective. But the problem here in replacing the processor is new processor will not give the solution. TV will go into 3-time blink. Only way left for the recovery of this TV is to replace the main board. Subscribe my channel to get latest update on TV repair. Thanks for watching complete video. See you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye.